Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix a Snapchat not posting stories. So basically what this problem is like, if you have this problem, then basically if you try to post a story in Snapchat, it's gonna say like retry, or like the story was not posted due to some error. You get some kind of error message saying your story was not posted. It's basically that in a simple way. So in this video I'll tell you guys how you guys can fix it. And before I start this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end if you guys also want to know how you guys can fix your Snapchat not posting stories. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start this video. So first thing first, if you are facing this problem, it could be because of your slow internet connection. Because if your connection is slow, then you guys, cannot post anything on your Snapchat. Not only Snapchat, you can do anything. Like basically for that, you can go to YouTube and watch a video. If it takes like more than 1 minute to load a simple like 3 or 4 minute video, or you can go to a website to check it out, and like a website takes around like 4 to 5 minutes just to load a simple website, then you can know like basically internet connection is slow. So that's the main reason behind this problem. But if you still have a stable internet connection and you still have this problem, then the other thing could be if Snapchat's servers are offline. So basically Snapchat server are like fixing their server, are like under maintenance break, then basically Snapchat is not gonna operate. And that's why you're not able to post stories on Snapchat. So make sure it is not offline. To check that out, you can go to Snapchat's Twitter, and if a lot of people are tweeting about it, then it probably is down. And the other thing is you can also go to Snapchat subreddit and check it out. And the other thing is you can also go to other website to check if Snapchat servers are offline or not. And if this is not the case and you still have the problem, the other thing is make sure your Snapchat is up to date, because it could be caused by some kind of bug, and updating Snapchat will fix the bug. So make sure Snapchat is up to date. As you guys can see, there's no update button over here, which means my Snapchat is up to date. So make sure your Snapchat is up to date. And if you still have this problem even after your Snapchat is like updated, the way to fix it is like delete your Snapchat and reinstall it again, because like doing that can fix your problem. If it is caused by some kind of corrupted file, then like deleting and uninstalling will fix it. So yeah, these are all the steps you can follow to fix your Snapchat not posting stories problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.